W on the day today. Today is June 15. Absolutely beautiful price action. As you can see, $900 on the day. Hit a little refresh. I don't know why it says 400, but it is okay because right down here, it is $900. Okay, so let's get right into it. This is the trade. Absolutely beautiful. So coming on the daily time frame, right? First thing that I saw on the daily time frame. Well, we are currently disrespecting this bearish gap. Now, yes, we still have 6 hours left, but so far we are disrespecting it. I want to see us continue holding it. Now, what do I see on the daily time frame? We are respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish. So this was very nice for longing opportunity. Also, Trump signing that treaty there, that little peace treaty, whatever bullshit. Well, that's also helping the market go up. So again, looking on the 4-hour time frame, disrespecting bearish, pushing higher, absolutely phenomenal. Now, what do I see? I see relative equals right at these highs because we came very close to it. As you can see right over here, we came very close, but we never actually took out the high. So keeping that in mind, we formed the relative equals and we also have all-time highs right above. So obviously looking at this big push, I want to see us continue higher. Now, one thing I was a little skeptical on was this new week opening gap. I was kind of scared that we might want to retrace lower to tap inside and then overall get that push up higher. But thankfully, we just continued the trend, very strong uptrend. Come down to the hourly time frame, what are we seeing? Very beautiful buy side liquidity with these relative equals. So having that in mind, I was just very, very bullish coming into the day. So I was honestly very patient. I wanted to see, honestly, I really wanted to see this 30-minute for valid gap get tapped inside a discount of the range, but we didn't end up getting that. We ended up getting a 15-minute, which is also perfectly fine because what do? We're wicking gaps, guys. When we are wicking for valid gaps, that is so powerful, man. Very powerful when we're wicking for value gaps. We didn't even have body closure. The second we come tap inside of it, automatic rejection. The candle doesn't even have chance. That just shows how much energy, how much power is in here. So seeing this 15-minute, we didn't tap into discount, so this was more of a discretionary trade than anything. Then came down to a 1-minute time frame and we had this very beautiful IFVG. Yes, we did end up going into a bit of drawdown, but this was our order block, which overall supported us to push us up higher. And honestly, guys, I aim for a 1-to-1. This swing high up here, this is just the institutional break-even point. So guys, this was honestly a picture perfect trade. Nothing else I could say about it. It was honestly just beautiful. Jaws on liquidity were just higher. We had very nice relative equals. And overall, we were able to cash in on the day with a beautiful, beautiful $900. So, guys, if you want to learn one-on-one with me, I have a link down below. I actually took this trade live in my Discord with my students. We had like 20, 30 plus students in there today. So it was a lot of fun. So guys, if you want to trade live with me and copy my trades and learn exactly how I go about analyzing the market, link is down in the description. Guys, I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. And if you do like these type of videos, leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more. Peace.